Hello, everyone. I'm going to be showcasing the horns of the Disney Wish in C- Cruise Line Simulator a New Era. Okay, here's the first horn. Now here's the second horn. And here's the third horn. And here's the fourth horn. Okay, here's the fifth horn. And here's the seventh one, I think. And here's the eighth horn. Here's the ninth horn. Here's the 10th horn. And here's the last horn, the 11th horn, I think. And now here's the actual sound of the horn. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.